Welcome to Electronic Geek. In this video, we shall be seeing one of the most basic sorting algorithms, which is the selection sort. I will be explaining you the algorithm and we will be writing our code in C language. So let's get started. Suppose you are having an integer array like this, having elements like let's say 5, 2, 12, 4 and 9, and you are asked to arrange this array in an ascending order. Then the basic brute force approach that you would apply is you would find the minimum number in that array and you would be swapping it with the number at position 1. I will demonstrate it in a bit better manner. See, suppose you are having this array 5, 2, 12, 4 and 9, and you need to arrange these elements in an ascending order. That is what sorting is. So what first thing you will do as per selection sort algorithm is you will swap the least element in this entire array with the element at position 1. So here 2 is the minimum element. As per arranging it in ascending order, 2 has to be over here at position 1 and index 0. So what you will do is you will swap these two elements like this. So now 5 is replaced by 2 and 2 is replaced by 5, and you continue this iteration till your entire array is sorted in ascending order. Now in the first pass 2 and 5 are swapped with each other and position of 2 is now fixed, and we are supposed to find out the minimum from this subarray. And if you see over here in this subarray, then the minimum element is 4 and it should be at position 2. So now 4 and 5 will be swapped with each other. Remaining subarray will be same. No change in that. So now the array is 2, 4, 12, 5 and 9. So here again position of 2 and 4 is now fixed. We have to find out the minimum in 12, 5 and 9. So the minimum is 5 and we will be swapping it with the element at position 3. So now 12 and 5 will be swapped and the remaining subarray is fixed. So over here the minimum is 9, and so 12 and 9 will be swapped with each other, thus giving the final array in completely sorted manner. So this is what is selection sort. You find out the minimum element from the array and you swap it with the element at a corresponding position. So in first iteration, it will be swapped with an element at number at position 1, then with position 2, and like this till the array is completely sorted. Now let's proceed to applying this algorithm in C. We will start by including the header files. We'll proceed writing the main function. Inside main, we will be declaring a few variables of integer data type n, I, g. So n is the size of array that will everything will be user defined. So I and j are two variables for traversing through the array, and min I represents the minimum index. So user will be told to enter the size of array. The size of array that he enters will be read through function scanf %d, and then we will initialize an array, integer array of size n. We'll ask the user to enter the array elements. Using a for loop, we will take all the inputs. Like this. Now we are having the array. We are supposed to do is arrange them in an ascending manner. Now, as per the algorithm, I will be running a for loop from I equal to 0 till I equal to n minus 2. That means I less than n minus 1. And Inside, I will be assigning this min I equal to I, stating that the index value will be assigned to this min I variable, and inside there will be another nested loop running, and in this I will be starting my loop from I j equal to I plus 1. It will be going till n minus 1, that is j less than n, and j plus plus. So as said, we have to find out the minimum number, and we have to swap it with number at position 1 or index 0. So in this I'll be keeping an if statement, that if of mid I is greater than array j, then min I is equal to j. Here I am separately calling a function swap, and I am passing the parameters as min I and so here I am not passing the value, I am actually passing the address of that value. So basically what I need is these two elements should be swapped, and for that I have to write the function void swap. Over here, as I'm passing the address of that value, I have to dereference it. So the int star, let's say x, and int star y. So with the help of dereference operator, I am actually getting the value stored at that memory location. Now inside this, I will be assigning variable temp as star x. Now when I'm dereferencing it, I'm having the value of it and not the address of that variable. And now star x equal to star y equal to 10. So in these lines I'm swapping two numbers. So now we are done with swapping, and we finally need to print our array. So we'll run the loop from I equal to 0 till I equal to n minus 1. We will print all the elements, and we come out of the loop, return 0 as the main function is of type int. I will be explaining this part of code again with that diagram only. See, right now when this loop starts, it starts from 0 up till n minus 2. So value of I is 0 right now, and I am assigning that value 0 to min I variable. Now j starts from I plus 1, so it will be 0 plus 1, which is 1, and in this it is clearly in and inside the if statement, it's that value at index min I, if it is greater than the next one, then min I variable will be having the value of j. So let's see this. If you see here, the number at min I index, that is 5, is greater than the number at index 1, which is 2. So now min I will be having the value 1. Okay, and what I'm telling here in swap function is I'm passing the address of the number which is at index 1, and I'm telling it to swap it with the number at index 0. Done with our code and save it. Let's check it if everything is right. Oh, sorry, the variable name was min I. Yeah, no errors. Let's try and execute this code. So size of array, let's say 5, and 5 2 12 4 and 9. So yeah, on the output we're having 2 4 5 9 and 12, which is the correct answer. This is how the entire array, which was entered in an unsorted manner, is now sorted in an ascending order. Regarding time complexity, as you can see, the case of nested loop is there over here. There is a for loop inside a for loop. So in this kind of situation, the time complexity is always big O of n square. So this is a basic algorithm of selection sort, and you can use these kinds of algorithm when you are when your array size is not too big, because in that case the time complexity is big of n square. It will take more time as compared to some other efficient algorithms to sort the array. So this is it for this video. Thank you for being till here. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do give me your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for being till here. Thank you so much.